If I had a time machine and I gave you access to it and I said, you can go back anywhere within the past 2 years and you can buy Tesla at any price that you wish in the past 2 years. Well, here's a chart of Tesla. Where would you buy it? I suspect you'd buy it right there. That would be on January the 6th in 2023. And it looks like its low price was right at $101. And today looks like it's at $222. So you would have doubled your money. Now let's look at this graph a little bit further, and let's look at the MACD. Look what happened. The blue line crossed over the yellow line. Let's look at the relative strength. Look how far down the relative strength is. It's down below 20. It looks like it's about 19. That's what you want to look for if you want to buy at the bottom. Now look at right there. That's the blue line. That's the support level. That's where there are buy orders in, and you just bought it at the perfect price. Well, what if I told you this is happening again?
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
I hope you've seen the videos that I've been doing on AEHR. That's Air Test Systems. They're a company that has a unique product that basically tests the semiconductors before they are shipped to the users to see that they are working properly. You don't want to put a semiconductor into an automobile, a Tesla, and then it isn't working properly, it hasn't been tested, and it creates a crash. So they have a unique product that they've built a motor around, but as you're not buying electric vehicles, and you're not buying PCs, and you're not buying refrigerators and toasters and microwaves, their business has slowed down. They've been growing at a massive rate, but as the business has slowed down, so has the enthusiasm around their product, much as what has happened to Tesla at some points, the chart I just showed you. So what if we could duplicate what we saw at Tesla? We have a product that has a moat, that has a demand, that has a growing demand, that the market has to work into, that the market started to reject, and look at where the relative strength is. That's exactly where it was on Tesla. Well, that's interesting. Look where the blue lines are. I thought the blue line that they were going to respond to was 21.60 or 46, but no, it came down and it covered this gap to 17.67, and it may even come down and cover this blue line. So at 17.07. So we're duplicating exactly what we saw in Tesla. We have a similar product situation, that it's a unique product with a moat, but the market conditions have created an opportunity. As someone in my comments on my videos on air said, well, you missed that one. No, I hit that one. I hit it, and it's heading for the fence. It's heading for the fence. I may not have gotten it exactly at its lowest point, which might be 17.07, but once the EV market picks up, once you realize that you've got to have a new computer to access this AI that they're putting out, you need to have a new cell phone, that 5G is now obsoleting your refrigerator, you're going to be a buyer. Now, we also recognize that because of interest rates and because of inflation, buyers are backing off. Hey, I'm putting off purchases right now because I'm looking for interest rates to come down. I'm looking for inflation to come down. I went to the grocery store and I bought my favorite Cabernet. No, it was a Chardonnay, which I normally pay $15 for, and I bought 2 bottles and it was $40. The price of the wine went up 33%. I'm going to put off buying anymore until it comes down to $15. That's the same thing you're going to do on your electric vehicle, on your iPad. You're going to wait till the prices come down. So if you're not buying, these people's markets are shrinking. Does that mean they're going away? No, it means there's a buying opportunity. I have a cheat sheet. I have done this work on 32 stocks, and I have said, where is the buying opportunity? I've gone to cash very heavily. I'm right now at about 75% cash. So I'm looking at charts like this and saying, where's the buying opportunity? I thought it was here at 21. Then I thought it was here at 18. Now I think it's probably at 16 or $17. Could it go all the way to 13? Sure, it could. But once you start buying electric cars and iPads and watches that use these people's product, the testing product, to make sure that that semiconductor is going to work, that stock is going back up to, what is that? Let me pull that down. That's $52.94. Or it may go up to that one. That's $53.97. And you're buying it for 17. How long will it take to get? I think it'll get there before the end of 2024. Come to my channel, see my cheat sheet. It's at bestofusinvestors.com, and you see if the semiconductor business isn't going to grow. If you believe it isn't going to grow, don't come. Don't come. Because this whole premise is our future relies on this. And if you don't believe that's true, look into what the CHIP Act is. Read this book. Read this book about the chip war. Our nation's security depends on AEHR going to 60 in the next 2 years. Okay. I didn't miss that one. I hit it square in the center, and it's heading for the fence.